If you are a man over 50 dealing with sensitivity issues, reduced firmness, or recovery problems, what I am about to share could completely transform your experience. This is not about enhancement products or medications. It is about using specific natural oils in a way that protects tissue health, improves blood flow, and yes, can help maintain firmness for extended periods. I am Dr. Katherine Rocke, and after over a decade in urology, I have seen how the right lubrication protocol can make the difference between tissue damage and tissue health, between diminished sensitivity and enhanced pleasure, and between quick loss of firmness and sustained response. Today, I am going to explain exactly which oils work best, why they are superior to commercial products, and how to use them properly for maximum benefit and safety. Before we dive into the science, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel to support more content dedicated to men's health and vitality. Let us start with what is actually happening to your tissues after 50 that makes proper lubrication not just helpful, but essential. Your skin produces significantly less natural oils as you age. The sebaceous glands that kept everything naturally moisturized in your 20s and 30s are now producing maybe 40% of what they used to. This means the delicate penile skin is more prone to irritation, micro tears, and damage. The elasticity of your tissue has also changed. Collagen production decreases with age, making skin thinner and less resilient. What used to bounce back quickly now takes days or weeks to heal. Every session without proper lubrication is potentially causing cumulative damage that reduces sensitivity over time. Your blood vessels have also changed. The endothelial lining that helps vessels dilate has become less responsive. But here is where it gets interesting. Certain oils can actually improve local blood flow when absorbed through the skin, helping maintain firmness that might otherwise fade quickly. There is also the nerve sensitivity issue. Years of friction without adequate lubrication can damage nerve endings, leading to decreased sensitivity. Many men do not realize that the numbness or reduced pleasure they are experiencing is not just aging, it is accumulated damage from improper technique and inadequate lubrications. Before we dive into specific oils, let me explain why natural oils are often superior to commercial lubricants for this purpose. Most commercial lubes contain glycerin, parabens, and other chemicals that can actually irritate sensitive tissue with regular use. They are designed for short-term slickness, not tissue health. Natural oils, on the other hand, contain vitamins, fatty acids, and compounds that actually nourish the skin while providing lubrication. They are absorbed partially into the tissue, providing both immediate slickness and longer-term benefits. Many contain natural anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce irritation and promote healing. The absorption factor is crucial. While water-based lubes sit on top of the skin and evaporate, oils penetrate slightly into the upper layers of skin, providing sustained lubrication and delivering beneficial compounds directly where they are needed. This is especially important for maintaining comfort during extended sessions. Let us start with coconut oil, which might be the single best all-around choice for most men. Virgin unrefined coconut oil contains lauric acid, caprylic acid, and vitamin E, all compounds that benefit penile tissue health. The lauric acid in coconut oil has natural antimicrobial properties, helping prevent bacterial or fungal issues that can develop in warm, moist areas. This is especially important for uncircumcised men or those prone to irritation. It is like having a protective barrier that keeps harmful microorganisms at bay while allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive. Coconut oil also has an interesting effect on blood flow. The medium-chain triglycerides are absorbed through the skin and can improve local circulation. Many men report that using coconut oil helps them maintain firmness longer than with other lubricants. While this is not scientifically proven, the anecdotal evidence is compelling. The vitamin E content helps repair damaged tissue and maintain skin elasticity. Regular use can actually improve skin quality over time, potentially reversing some age-related changes. Men who switch to coconut oil often report increased sensitivity within a few weeks as the tissue health improves. For use, warm a small amount between your hands first, as cold oil is uncomfortable and does not spread well. Start with about a teaspoon. You can always add more, but too much gets messy. The oil melts at body temperature, providing perfect slickness without being runny. However, there is one consideration. Coconut oil is comedogenic, meaning it can clog pores. If you are prone to ingrown hairs or folliculitis in the pubic area, you might want to avoid getting it on the hair-bearing skin. Focus on the shaft and glands only. Next up on my list is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is my recommendation for men dealing with sensitivity issues. It is lighter than coconut oil, absorbs more readily, and contains specific compounds that benefit nerve health. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E, even more so than coconut oil, but it also contains B vitamins, particularly riboflavin and niacin, which support nerve function. When applied regularly, these vitamins can help repair damaged nerve endings and improve sensitivity. Think of it as nutrition for your nerve endings. The omega-3 fatty acids in almond oil reduce inflammation at a cellular level. This is crucial because chronic inflammation, even mild, reduces sensitivity and blood flow. By calming inflammation, you are removing a barrier to proper nerve function and vascular response. Almond oil has what I call the Goldilocks consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. It provides excellent glide without feeling greasy, and it does not dry out quickly like some lighter oils. This makes it ideal for extended sessions where reapplication might interrupt the experience. For men with sensitive skin or those prone to allergic reactions, sweet almond oil is typically well tolerated. However, if you have a nut allergy, obviously avoid this one. Always do a patch test on your inner arm first if you are unsure. Use about the same amount as coconut oil, a teaspoon to start. It spreads more easily than coconut oil, so you might need less. It also does not solidify at room temperature, making it more convenient for spontaneous use. The third oil is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is lighter than both coconut and almond oil, making it perfect for men who find other oils too heavy or greasy. But do not let its lightness fool you. It is packed with compounds that specifically benefit vascular health. Grapeseed oil contains pro-anthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants that strengthen blood vessel walls and improve circulation. When applied topically, these compounds are absorbed and can improve local blood flow. Better blood flow means firmer, longer-lasting erections and improved sensitivity. The vitamin E and linoleic acid in grapeseed oil help maintain skin barrier function. This is important because a healthy skin barrier prevents moisture loss and protects against irritation. Men who use grapeseed oil regularly often report that the skin feels more resilient and less prone to irritation. One unique benefit of grapeseed oil is its ability to regulate sebum production. If you find your genital area gets too oily or too dry, grapeseed oil can help balance things out. It is particularly good for men who experience both dryness and occasional oiliness. The consistency is very smooth and silk-like, providing excellent glide without any stickiness. It absorbs relatively quickly, so you might need to reapply during longer sessions. Keep a small bottle nearby for easy reapplication. We now arrive at a truly unique option in our arsenal, jojoba oil. When we discuss jojoba, we are discussing something that stands apart from every other option on this list. This is because jojoba oil is, technically speaking, a wax, not an oil. While this might sound like a minor technicality, this unique molecular structure makes it incredibly similar to human sebum, the natural oil your body produces on its own. This structural similarity is the secret to its effectiveness. Because it mimics your biology so closely, your skin recognizes it and absorbs it readily. It does not sit on the surface like a foreign substance. It integrates with your tissue. This makes jojoba one of the absolute best options for actually improving skin health over time, rather than just providing temporary lubrication. The way jojoba interacts with your body is almost intelligent. Because it mimics natural sebum, jojoba oil helps regulate your skin's oil production in a way no other product can. If you are producing too little natural oil, which is a very common issue for men after the age of 50, jojoba supplements it perfectly, restoring the moisture barrier you had in your younger years. Conversely, if you happen to be producing too much oil in certain areas, jojoba signals your skin to produce less. It provides a balancing effect that is unique to jojoba. Beyond its structural benefits, jojoba is a nutritional powerhouse for your intimate tissue. It contains vitamin E and B complex vitamins, both of which are critical for supporting overall skin health and proper nerve function, but it does not stop there. Jojoba also contains essential minerals, specifically zinc and copper. These minerals are essential for tissue repair and for maintaining sensitivity. When you commit to regular use, this combination of vitamins and minerals can actually improve the health and responsiveness of penile tissue. Let us talk about the user experience, because the consistency of jojoba is perfect for extended use. It provides a smooth glide that does not dry out, yet it never gets sticky. You will find that a little goes a long way, making it an efficient choice. Furthermore, for men who are concerned about reactions, jojoba is the safest bet. It is the least likely of all the oils to cause any allergic reactions or irritation, making it the ideal candidate for men with sensitive skin or those who are prone to adverse reactions. Finally, there is a practical benefit that sets jojoba apart: its stability. Unlike some natural oils that can go rancid quickly when exposed to air or light, jojoba has a very long shelf life. You can keep a bottle by your bedside for months without ever worrying about it going bad. It remains fresh, effective, and safe, ready whenever you need it. We have reached the fifth option on our list, and I will be direct with you. Argan oil is more expensive than every other option we have discussed. However, that higher price point exists for a very good reason. When we talk about argan oil, we are talking about a premium tier of care. It contains a specific profile of unique compounds that make it particularly and exceptionally beneficial for aging skin and overall tissue health. First, let us look at the composition. The vitamin E content in argan oil is exceptionally high, surpassing many other natural sources. But the real game changer here is a compound called squalane. Squalane is critical because it specifically improves skin elasticity and moisture retention. For men over 50 who are dealing with thinning, less elastic penile skin, this is vital. Argan oil does not just lubricate, it can actually help restore some of the youthful qualities to the tissue, bringing back the resilience and bounce that tends to fade with age. But the benefits go deeper than the skin. Argan oil contains ferulic acid, a powerful antioxidant that has been scientifically shown to improve blood vessel function when applied topically. This means that using argan oil could contribute to better firmness and duration by supporting the underlying vascular health. Furthermore, it contains compounds that actively reduce inflammation and support healing. If you are a man who experiences irritation easily, or if you find that recovery takes longer than it used to, argan oil acts as a soothing, restorative balm. In terms of the physical experience, the texture is nothing short of luxurious. It manages to be substantial without being heavy or greasy. It absorbs well enough to deliver those nutrients deep into the tissue, yet it leaves a protective layer on the surface that maintains excellent slickness. Many men report that argan oil provides the absolute best balance between deep absorption and lasting lubrication. The only downside is the cost. Pure argan oil is an investment. However, because a little goes a very long way, and because the therapeutic benefits are so potent for men dealing with significant sensitivity or tissue health issues, the benefits often justify the price. There is just one rule you must follow. Make sure you are getting pure, organic argan oil, not a blend. You want the undiluted power of the oil to ensure you receive these specific structural and vascular benefits. Now, you do not need all 5 oils. In fact, using too many different products can be counterproductive. Here is how to choose and use them effectively. Start with one oil based on your primary concern. If you need general lubrication and protection, coconut oil is your best bet. For sensitivity issues, try sweet almond oil. For circulation and firmness concerns, grapeseed oil. For overall skin health, jojoba. If you want premium care and can afford it, argan. Apply the oil at least 5 to 10 minutes before any activity. This allows some absorption into the tissue, providing both surface lubrication and deeper benefits. Warm the oil between your hands first to improve spreadability and comfort. Use enough to provide comfortable glide, but not so much that you lose sensation. Start with half a teaspoon and add more as needed. It is better to add more during the session than to start with too much. Most natural oils will need refreshing after 20 to 30 minutes of activity. Simply pause, add a small amount, and continue. For sensitivity restoration, you can combine sweet almond oil with a small amount of vitamin E oil by piercing a vitamin E capsule. This provides intensive nerve support. For premium care, mix jojoba and argan oils. This combination provides both immediate comfort and long-term tissue health benefits. Some men like to add essential oils, such as a drop of peppermint oil to increase blood flow or lavender oil for relaxation. However, be very careful with essential oils. They are potent and can cause irritation if overused. Never use more than 1 drop per tablespoon of carrier oil. While natural oils are generally safe, there are important considerations for genital use. Always do a patch test first by applying a small amount to your inner arm and waiting 24 hours to check for any reaction. The genital area is more sensitive than other skin, so even if you have used an oil elsewhere without problems, test it first. Crucially, if you are using condoms, be aware that oils break down latex. Oil-based lubrication and latex condoms are incompatible. If barrier protection is needed, you will need to use polyurethane or polyisoprene condoms or stick to water-based lubes during partnered activities. Also, watch for signs of irritation or infection. While natural oils have antimicrobial properties, they can potentially trap bacteria if hygiene is not maintained. Always wash before and after use and discontinue if you notice any unusual symptoms. Here is my recommendation. Choose one oil based on your primary needs and commit to using it consistently for 30 days. Apply it 5 to 10 minutes before any solo activity. Keep notes on sensitivity, comfort, duration of firmness, and any skin changes. Most men notice improvements within 2 weeks, with continued benefits developing over the full month. You are investing in the long-term health of intimate tissues that contribute significantly to quality of life. The few dollars spent on quality oils could save you from sensitivity loss, tissue damage, and the need for medical interventions later.